Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well as always. For today's video, we are going to be recreating some summer nail inspo, and these are the tips that we are going to be using for this set. These are by the Beatles, and these are medium stiletto tips, one of my new go-to nail tips for Gel X sets. And they do come pre-etched and are pretty durable, so definitely check these out if you haven't tried the nail tips by Beatles. These ones in particular, I do have some square beetle tips that I like, so I would definitely say that Beatles nail tips are a go-to for me. And of course, I will leave everything that I use in this video in the description box. So here I am just sizing out the nail tips, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall, and just be sure that they do fit your nail bed properly. That way they don't pop off, especially when you spend so much time on your prep for the nails to stay on for a long time. You just want to make sure that they do fit sidewall to sidewall and that they are not too small. So this is going to be a peel off set. I know I say that every single time. I'm just trying to get all my summer nail inspo nails out, and I feel like there's just never enough time for all the inspo that I save or anything that I want to create. By the time I even get to half of the stuff, it's already like Christmas time. So I'm just trying to get as much content out for you guys that I can. So there is going to be majority pop off sets when it comes to my videos, just so that I can get more content out for you guys. But I have a lot of nail inspo saved, and it's so funny because every time that I save inspo, and then I go on to find inspo, I act like I don't have like 500 nail inspo saved. I don't know what it is. I think I'm just addicted to Pinterest is what it is. But anyways, once I have cured the peel off base coat, I'm just going to flash cure these Gel X tips on with some base coat. And once I'm done flash curing these for about 15 seconds, I'm going to put my hand under the full UV lamp and cure my nails for about 60 seconds. finally, we are ready for our blooming gel flowers. So here I am just mixing two different Born Pretty colors. So I have a hot pink and like a purple plum color because I was kind of going for a magenta color like you can see there from the nail inspo. The nail inspo is by Hatton Nails. On her TikTok is where I saw this original nail inspo. I didn't have like the same exact base coat. I just kind of used what I had, but I really love the way the blooming gel flowers looked with the hibiscus flower on top of it. So that's what I'm going to attempt to recreate today. So here I am just mixing these colors together, and I'm going to take a thin layer of this blooming gel onto my nail, and I'm going to put 5 dots of the gel polish down to create that blooming gel effect. Now blooming gel can get really thick, so I do try to apply it pretty thin on the nail, because you do have to let the blooming gel sit for a second before actually putting your hand to cure. So just keep that in mind when you are applying the blooming gel, that you don't apply too thick of a layer. That way your nail doesn't become bulky and dry like lumpy. So I'm just going to pretty much place the dots on top of the blooming gel. I'm not really like pushing the dotting tool onto my nail. I'm kind of just laying the gel polish on top of that blooming gel, and I'm gonna let my nail sit for a couple seconds. I'd say like 10-15 seconds until it blooms out to your liking, I guess. So I'm just going to do this to all of my nails, and then we are going to hand paint our hibiscus flowers. For our hibiscus flowers, I'm going to be mixing 2 drops of top coat in with a few drops of this black liner gel. Now, I did forget to record the part where I put matte top coat on. So once I cured my blooming gel flowers, I did put a layer of matte top coat on, cured that for about 60 seconds, and then wiped it off with some alcohol just to remove any tackiness from that. So just keep that in mind before applying your hibiscus flowers. I don't know why I always forget to like hit record on some stuff. I think I just get so in the zone when I'm doing my nails, so I do apologize. But yes, don't forget to add that matte top coat before applying your flowers. here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you guys so much, and definitely drop a comment on what you would like to see next, and I will see you in the next one.